Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, in this video, it's not the time of year yet for Christmas cake, guys, but a subscriber of mine would like to know how she would like for me to show her how to make Christmas cake. So I thought I would bake a cake or two just to show her how. But guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you. I'm not gonna be baking the cake today. In the video following this, you will see the cake. But I'm gonna be showing you the first step before we bake the cake. Traditional rich Christmas cake, guys. And this step, the soaking, it's easy. I'll show you how. Okay, I'm preparing some fruits, whether by soaking in wine or blending, but I'm gonna be blending my fruits. Okay, I'm not gonna be there are several ways you can do it. You can have it simmer in a bit, stew in it a bit, but I'm not gonna be putting it on the stove on heat. I'm just gonna be putting it in wine and some rum and blending it. Okay guys, so that's what I'm gonna be doing in this video. So let's get into the video. Now guys, in order to make a traditional rich Christmas fruit cake, we first have to prepare our fruits, guys. When preparing your fruits for the cake, you can use whatever fruits you'd like, guys, but I choose some of my favorites. I like prune. Some people don't like prune. I won't be putting too much prune, okay? But I'm going to be putting prune, and I'm also going to be putting the Thompson raisin. You can also put, they have the golden raisin and the sultan raisin, but I choose to use the Thompson. I like the Thompson raisin. And I'm going to be using the glaze or glacé fruit mix that has the mixed fruits. Okay, and I'm also gonna be using the glacé cherries with the red and green cherries. I like these in my cake. And also guys, I'm gonna be using Red Label wine for now. One bottle should do. And then the J. Ray and Nephew overproof rum here, guys. I purchased this rum. This rum is like, it's pretty costly. It's like 20 something dollars. Okay guys, under $30, but over $20. And just in case you're wondering the price, and the Red Label is like around the $20 mark. But the white rum, guys, it's the first in my life I'm purchasing a white rum. I had some in a bottle that someone gave to me, but thought, why not get a bottle? It's the first in my life I ever purchased a white rum, because this thing is strong, guys. Like, it's strong. And then I can use it for other purpose. It's also good if you have a fever, like, or a cold or stuff like that. We rub up with these things. Yeah guys, so for the Christmas cake, the Jamaican cake, we prepare our fruits. Okay, and I'm gonna be measuring, especially the white rum. Like, I'm not gonna be going, some people put a lot of rum in their fruits, but I don't want to go too much on the rum. And you could also prepare your fruits without alcohol. Okay, but the rum, the white rum, guys, it preserves the fruits, your fruits. It keeps it so that it doesn't go bad. Okay, so that's one of the main reasons why I'm going to be using the white rum. Okay, so let me just measure out what I'm going to be putting in the container here. I'm going to put it put in this container the fruits, along with the Red Label wine, my favorite for putting in cake, and then some of the white rum. But the white rum, you need to be careful, and the fruits. So let me just open these containers, and then we'll start measuring. So guys, the mixed fruits, just gonna be putting like a little bit less than a half of this cup here. I'm not gonna be doing that big soak for Christmas, so I'm just going to be soaking enough for now for the cake that I'm gonna be making for my subscriber. And I'm just gonna be putting like some cherries here, like a little less than a half cup. This cup here of the cherries. And what I'm basically gonna be doing is just blending everything, guys. And then the Thompson raisin. I think I'm gonna be putting a cup of the Thompson raisin. And then a cup of the Thompson raisin, and I'm gonna blend it out because some people don't like raisin, guys, so you have to blend it out so that they don't taste the chunk of raisins, right? If you blend it out, blend the fruits out, some people that don't even like raisin will eat it, the fact that you blend it out. So, and then I prefer it blended out too. And here's my prune, and then guys, you have to be, I know these prunes, I have to be searching, feeling in it. When I feel in it, the seed is in it, so I have to pit it, make sure it's been pitted, like you remove the seeds. So I'm going to be removing the seeds from the prune. Okay, guys. So guys, that's a seed. You don't want to put this in your blender to break your blender. So I'm just removing the seed. Cut it. And there's the seed, you take it out. Okay, you don't blend these things, you remove it. So guys, I removed the seeds from these prunes, and I'm just gonna be using this much. And then I pour it in. So I have all my fruits that I had here, the prune, the mixed fruit, the cherry, and the raisin. And I'm just gonna be opening up the red label wine here. And then guys, when you have your fruits soaking, your wine should be covering the fruits. Okay, so let me try and blend this up. So guys, I have my fruits blended, and then I'm going to be putting some rum here, but this rum is strong, guys, and I'm not going to be putting too much because I don't have a lot of fruits here. Okay, I'm going to be putting like a tablespoon. And then guys, when you whenever you're soaking your fruits, then you're going to store it into an airtight container, and make sure the container you're storing it in is not enamel or plastic. It should be a glassware. Okay, spoon, a tablespoon, and then I'm just going to be blending this. And as I said, guys, some people like to have their fruits like stewing before they do this process, but there's no need for it. You could just easily blend. Okay, and you could have your fruit stored with the rum preserving it, stored for up to a year. People have their fruits stored for. But you will check on your fruits every ever so often, every 2 to 3 days. It should be stored in a dark place. Okay, in a dark, dry place you store your container. So I'm just gonna be pouring, and as I said, your container should be glass for storing the fruits. Okay, so I'm gonna be storing mine in this. Let me put the camera on another angle here so you can see. Okay guys, and then my fruits is looking good. Look at this. Look how delicious that looks. This is all gonna be folded into the cake. So this is the first process, guys, and this is what I want to show my subscriber how to prepare her fruits. But as I said, the white rum is up to you, and how much rum you, how rummy you would like to have your cake. Like, I don't like to use too much rum, guys, okay? So I put only a tablespoon with this amount of measured fruits. Only a tablespoon is and I'm gonna taste it, right? If it doesn't taste too rummy, I won't put any more. So let me just taste it here. I think that's enough. No more rum. No more rum, because this white rum, guys, I'm afraid of it. It's very strong. I have to be careful how much you pour. So yeah, so this amount of fruit, maybe you could put a tablespoon more of white rum, but as I said, I don't use too much alcohol. And basically that's what I'm going to be doing, guys. And then the next video will be the cake, okay? The next upload on Tuesday will be the cake, and I'll have this sitting for the next couple of days until I make the cake. Maybe tomorrow I'll make the cake and then upload it for Tuesday's video. Okay, guys, so if you like this video, please give the video a thumb. Here are the fruits, guys. So if you like this video, the blended fruits and the wine, the red label wine and the rum, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and by hitting the like button, the thumbs up button, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and share this video with your friends if you think your friend would like to see it. Okay, guys, so thanks for joining me once more, and see you in the next video.